Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you how to make these delicious chicken pops. They're shaped like lollipops and they taste absolutely delicious. One chicken pop consists of 96 calories, which come from 58% of fat, 27% of protein, and 15% of carbohydrates. For this recipe, you will need 300 grams of chicken, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 small onion, 1 slice of bread, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. So you're gonna start off by adding the green chilies into a food processor and blending. After that, you can add the coriander and blend. Then do the same thing with the onion. Same thing with the bread. And then finally, you can add the chicken, melted butter, and salt and pepper all into the blender. And blend that all thoroughly. So the reason we did each item separately is to ensure that the consistency is quite mixed together very well and looks something like this. So after you have your mixture, you can go ahead and roll it into a ball like so. You can go ahead and add a popsicle stick. Now this is optional, of course. We just think it looks cooler and is easier to eat as well. After you've done this with all 10, you can go ahead and grill them in a panini press, or you can grill them on top of a stove. It's up to you. And you're done. Now these are a great source of protein, especially if you decide to use lean meat, as well as a great source for healthy fats. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated on our latest content. For more like this, you can click the left to see a video on how we showed you how to make a giant chicken kebab, or you can click the video on the right to see our most recent upload.